Welcome to the best pick. The Best Bead Kits is probably one of the most versatile and enjoyable ways to dive into the world of jewelry making, offering a curated selection of beads, findings, and tools that empower both beginners and seasoned crafters to bring their creative visions to life with ease and inspiration. Number 5. Gionlion 6000 Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit. This kit is a must-have for any jewelry making enthusiast. It includes thousands of colorful clay beads, various charms, elastic strings, and scissors, providing everything you need for your creative projects. Unleash your imagination with 24 bright colors. You can easily create vivid bracelets, necklaces, and earrings by mixing these beads with your favorite pendants. Your creativity is the only limit here. Crafted from high-quality polymer clay, these beads are durable, lightweight, and comfortable to wear. They are designed to be fade-resistant, making them perfect for any occasion, even at the beach or pool. These beads are perfectly sized for a variety of DIY crafts, including bracelets, necklaces, earrings, anklets, and keychains. They make an ideal gift for daughters, granddaughters, or friends, adding a personal touch to any occasion. Surprise your girls with this trendy kit. It's a fantastic way to enhance their crafting skills while enjoying the fun of sharing and self-expression. It's an excellent choice for craft parties and projects. We are committed to strict quality control, ensuring you receive defect-free beads. This product is appreciated by craft enthusiasts of all ages. What we like. This kit offers an incredible amount of beads and accessories, perfect for those who love to create a wide variety of jewelry. If you're looking for a comprehensive set that has everything you need to get started immediately, this is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for young crafters who enjoy making friendship bracelets and other personalized accessories. What people say. The beads are a good size and variety for making bracelets. The kit includes a good assortment of charms and clasps, making it easy to complete projects. The colors of the beads are vibrant and appealing, perfect for creating eye-catching jewelry. Number 4. LEITAIT Girls Bracelet Making Kit. Looking for the perfect gift for a creative girl? Our bracelet making kit has everything she needs to create beautiful, unique jewelry. It's designed for ages 5 to 12. This kit is packed with over 3,400 pieces, including colorful clay beads, pony beads, and charms. There are countless ways to design and create, offering hours of artistic fun. She can create personalized bracelets to express her individuality and strengthen friendships. Making a special bracelet for a friend or family member is a wonderful way to show you care. Even beginners can jump right in and have fun with the included instructions. It's a great way to improve hand-eye coordination, color perception, and concentration. Whether for a birthday or Christmas, this kit is sure to inspire creativity and bring endless joy. Seeing her smile while she creates is truly the most meaningful gift. What we like. This kit is designed to be incredibly fun and accessible, especially for younger children. If you're searching for a gift that will keep a girl aged 5 to 12 happily engaged for hours, this is it. It's perfect for fostering creativity and improving fine motor skills, making it a great option for a first-time jewelry maker. What people say. The beads are of good quality and come in a wide variety of colors and shapes, making it easy to create unique designs. The kit includes all the necessary tools and findings, such as pliers, clasps, and jump rings, so you can start crafting right away. The instruction booklet provides clear and helpful guidance for beginners, with step-by-step tutorials for various jewelry pieces. Number 3. Sistenia 120 Colors Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit. Discover the Sistenia 120 Colors Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit, your all-in-one solution for stunning DIY jewelry. Everything you need is neatly organized and ready for your next masterpiece. Dive into a rainbow of 120 popular colors, crafted from premium, non-toxic polymer clay. These beads are lightweight, waterproof, and designed to last, ensuring comfortable wear wherever you go. No more mess. Our kit features 6 dedicated boxes, each holding over 150 beads of a specific color, plus a variety of charms and accessories. Finding the perfect piece has never been easier. This versatile kit is perfect for quality family time, sparking imagination, and keeping kids engaged away from screens. It's an ideal way to enhance creativity and parent-child bonding. Presented in an exquisite gift box, this kit is a trendy and thoughtful gift choice. It's perfect for girls, teens, and adults alike, making it an ideal present for birthdays and holidays. What we like. For the ultimate jewelry making enthusiast who craves variety, this kit is unparalleled. If you appreciate having a vast selection of colors and accessories neatly organized for easy access, this is the set for you. It's perfect for both kids and adults who want to explore endless design possibilities and create truly unique pieces. What people say. The beads are well organized in a sturdy case, making it easy to find the right color and size. This kit includes a wide variety of bead shapes, sizes, and colors, perfect for creating diverse jewelry designs. The included tools, such as pliers and clasps, are of good quality and make the jewelry making process smooth. Number 2. Xmada Jewelry Making Supplies Kit. Discover the ultimate all-in-one jewelry making kit. It includes everything you need to start creating beautiful pieces right away. Explore a stunning collection of approximately 1,200 crystal beads in assorted vibrant colors. These will add a pop of color to all your creations. Get creative with gemstone chips beads that are well polished and come in irregular shapes and varied sizes. Let your imagination run wild with unique designs. This kit is perfect for beginners looking to craft bracelets, necklaces, earrings, and more. It's also great for various DIY craft projects and home decorations. All accessories are neatly organized in a 24-grid box, preventing tangles and keeping everything tidy. It's convenient for storage and carrying on the go. With over 1,500 pieces, including beads, pendants, findings, and tools, this comprehensive set is ideal for both girls and adults. What we like. This kit stands out with its inclusion of beautiful gemstone chip beads, offering a more natural and sophisticated aesthetic. If you're looking to create jewelry with a unique, earthy vibe or want to experiment with different bead types beyond polymer clay, this is an excellent option. It's suitable for both beginners and adults who enjoy crafting personalized accessories. What people say. The beads are very nice and the colors are beautiful. This kit has a great variety of beads and findings, perfect for beginners. The beads are well made and easy to work with, making jewelry creation a breeze. Number 1. Redtwo 4mm Glass Seed Beads Jewelry Making Kit. This kit is a must-have for any bracelet making enthusiast. It includes approximately 3,400 seed beads in 24 vibrant colors, 170 charming accessories like letter beads and pendants, beading needles, elastic strings, scissors, and tweezers, all with their own organized storage. With 24 bright colors, you can create colorful DIY projects. Mix and match the beads and accessories to design unique bracelets, necklaces, or earrings. Anyone can become a jewelry design master with this kit. These small glass beads are 4 mm in diameter with a 2 mm hole. They are sleek, shiny, non-toxic, fade-resistant, and waterproof, making them comfortable to wear anywhere, even at the beach or pool. Perfect for making jewelry, friendship bracelets, necklaces, earrings, anklets, waist chains, and more. It's an ideal gift for daughters, granddaughters, sisters, or best friends for any occasion. We are committed to your complete satisfaction. If you encounter any issues with our beads, please contact us, and we promise a satisfactory solution within 24 hours. Thank you for supporting our brand. What we like. This kit focuses on high-quality glass seed beads, perfect for creating delicate and detailed jewelry. If you're aiming for a sleek, shiny finish and want beads that are durable and comfortable for everyday wear, even at the beach or pool, this is the ideal choice. It's great for making friendship bracelets, waist chains, and other fine crafts. What people say. The beads are of good quality and come in a wide variety of colors and shapes. The kit includes all the necessary tools and findings to start making jewelry right away. The instruction booklet provides clear and easy-to-follow steps for beginners. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.